My inspiration started with a guy that I saw that was a pop-up traveling clothing line. Like this guy had a cart and he popped it up and it had all this clothing on it. And I thought it was amazing because here it was, a pop-up maker. And that was my aha moment, was how can we create a maker table that can come into the room, deploy, have everybody be excited, do the task, pack everything up and leave.
This is a next level desk because of the ease to move it. It's great because it's sleek and it's narrow, and so it fits through doors. I think that's been the biggest challenge with the big maker desks. Like, they're kind of bulky.
With the Rover, actually the adult in the room didn't even have to do the moving. It's light enough for the bottom clips, the students can pop it up, and they just, the top pops up and the students come off the wheels and roll it out.
I absolutely think that things like clear bins are really important, so you have full visibility.
It seems like a maker designed the maker table. It wasn't just somebody had this concept of what a maker table should be. If you have a maker and a teacher and an engineer and they come up with this design, it seems like that's what happened with this piece.
One of my favorite parts about the Rover Table is in working with the team at 2B, they were awesome. They were experiencing the makerspace themselves. They were prototyping, they were testing, and it was so complicated, and they did such a phenomenal job of making something really complicated look super sleek and simple.
It's very thrilling to see a student be able to take that table, move it to wherever the pop-up maker is going to be on their own accord, and be fully accountable for that movement. Very, very exciting for us.
And if you want teachers to teach and students to have this 21st century way of thinking and learning, these are the tools that you need.